Hey guys, we're out in the garage, and what I'm gonna do, I'm actually got my GoPro, see I'm setting my phone down, I got my GoPro on my head, and Randy up at Grizzdtek sent me a replacement. This is a driver's side radiator guard that has the relief in it for the thermostat, for the heating kit. He sent me that, and he sent me some big stickers. So thank you, Randy, for that. We'll have to figure out where those are going to go. Actually, I think I might do something nice front and center there on the General, and then something on the back as well. I mentioned Randy multiple times. He's a super great guy, and I've been really pleased with all my conversations with him. He's just a fun guy to talk to, and makes great products. So anyway, I'm gonna just real quick here move this tank out of the way. This should be just a few minutes job, and let's see if I can get the light. So what I'm gonna do, actually take this off and hold this down here. Let's see if I can get this off. There we go. Take off the original. He did send me, in the kit, he did send me some replacements here, but these are actually still in great shape, so I'll save those as backups. Pull that out and get the one up here at the top. And these do actually have a fairly deep thread on them. What they are, I'll show them to you in just a few minutes, but basically they are, take this and just kind of fold, rotate this out. Let me set the camera down. Try to set this up where it still shows everything. There we go. And take this, basically just going to there. Rotate this around. If I can get it. Come on. There we go. It's coming down and it's out. And you can actually see right there. I don't know if you can see, but it is actually dented in right there where it's been rubbing. And so anyway, we're going to take this and basically rotate this back up, these clips. We'll see if we can get this back up in here. Especially with this thermostat here, this is not the easiest. It's not the easiest place to get it into. In fact, let me see if there we go. And then if I can get it to pop around here. Almost got it. Come on. Oh. Come on. Go. Oh yeah, that's very nice. Look at that. That is just spot on perfect. Just what we needed. Get the bolts back in. Or I should say the thumb screws. Oh, there we go. And go ahead and tighten these down because I know if I don't, I won't remember. And of course, these are thumb screws, so just finger tight is good enough. And then every ride or two, just check the tightness. All right, so let's take a look here, and you can see it's actually a really good shot. You can see that relief is just perfect. What it is, if I had mounted this down below or down lower, I would have had a little bit less interference there, but that actually, you can see there's now a gap. This before was actually pushed up against the spring, so that's much better. I might still take maybe even just a simple zip tie just to kind of pull this forward towards the front of the machine just to keep it away from it. But that's a perfect relief, perfect job. So here's again, the old one, and you can see that there. So anyway, that's perfect. Once again, I have to say a special thanks to Randy. He did send me that at no charge, and he's done that for some others. But if you've got one out there, definitely show Randy your business. He is a fabulous guy. Great job on everything. Wonderful products. And for those of you that are on the forums or anything, you probably have seen the stories about with every pack he sends you a pack of Kool-Aid. And he does send you a sticker. In this case, he did send me a couple of big stickers. I will definitely get those on the machine. And then here is, I'll pull this out of the bag here. This is the fastener system that he uses, at least around the radiator. And the way that this works, basically what happens is you drill a hole and then you put this through, and then the thread portion is on this end here. So what happens is when you go from this side and you screw down, this portion right here compresses. And when that compresses, this basically bulges out around the hole that you did, and that's what actually secures it. So it's a really simple design. I don't know, probably could get them through Amazon even, but I'll definitely save these as backups or potentially even use them somewhere else. Very similar actually to kind of how the lock and ride system works. But there you go. Grizzztek all the way. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. We will definitely be having more videos coming soon.